Welcome back to Wendy's. Fresh, never frozen. Well, mostly. Haha, you're gonna love what's inside this one. We fry everything in our special blend of seed oils and preservatives. Keeps it crunchy, even after it dies. We say it's never frozen, but you didn't think we really meant that, right? It's just marketing. Oh, this one's loaded with corn syrup, red 40, and phosphoric acid. Don't worry, it's FDA approved. Every bite is a mystery. Beef, soy, or something else? It's all part of the flavor adventure. Just look at our happy customers, full of joy, flavor, and a little bit of seed oil in every cell.
Where's the beef?
You're already infected. Brain rot reels.